remember the fade in your eyes. I'm lost in space.
Hey guys, MK Tech HD again. So today we're taking a look at the Apple Watch Series 1 gold 42mm aluminium case with the Coca Sport Band. So this is my unboxing. I'm just taking a general overview at the box at the moment and showing you, as you can see, it's the 42mm Series 1. So this year Apple are including the watch, the strap, the small to medium strap and the charging magnetic cable only. So in the Series 1, no 3-pin UK adapter whatsoever. So just bear that in mind when you're buying the Series 1, that you will not receive the charger. I don't know why Apple have done this. It is just pure either cost or something. Okay, so just trying to battle with the box there. We are presented with designed by Apple in California just on the top. So just like the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, we're not presented with the watch this year. Just the sort of general instructions and warranty information. So the reason why I ended up going for a Series 1 Apple Watch is purely because there was no stock of the Series 2. But our good friends at John Lewis hooked us up with this. As you can see, I've just pointed out there that it is the Series 1. So taking a look at the brochure, as I like to call it, we have a logo saying Apple Watch, and this is a basic quick start guide with the how to put on the strap, etc. So some more information, and then eventually we have another thing that says Apple Watch with the small to medium strap and the magnetic charging cable, which is all wrapped in that cardboard. So not really how Apple used to pack things, unfortunately, but you get the picture. So over to the watch, just looking around it, it is identical to the Series 2 and also the Sport from last year. Although this one does feel that the screen seems a little bit more sturdier. There's my fault for trying to press the digital crown to turn it on. Okay guys, so we're just doing a first boot up of the device itself. Okay guys, just taking another brief look at that lovely way Apple has decided to pack the Apple Watch. So, while that's booting up, I was just explaining some basic things. It is IPX7 water resistant and it comes with the 42mm casing. I'm very happy with the purchase. Unfortunately, no, I could not get Series 2, but that's okay. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video for a full review of the Series 1 Apple Watch. Take care.